When you're multiplying or dividing directed numbers, there are some rules that you need to follow. So this is for multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing directed numbers. So if you have two positive numbers, positive 7 multiplied by positive 3, the answer will be a positive, and you're just going to multiply them as you ordinarily would. So you have 21, and it's a positive. This is also true for two negative numbers. Negative 7 multiplied by negative 3 is equal to positive 21. So any two numbers with the same sign that are multiplied together give a positive. So a negative and a negative, a positive and a positive equal a positive. But when you have two different signs multiplied together, the answer is always a negative. So a negative and a positive equal a negative, or a positive and a negative equal a negative. So this is for multiplication and division. So let's say I have minus 7 multiplied by positive 3. I know that the answer, I've got a positive and a negative. So the answer will be negative. I multiply the numbers as I usually would, and I get negative 21. If I have a positive 7 multiplied by a negative 3, what will the answer be? The same again. I've got a positive and a negative, so I get a negative 21. Let's do an exercise from the book. So exercise 3 on page 53. We'll do number 6. So you've got a positive 5 multiplied by a negative 7. Positive number and a negative number. I know that the answer will be a negative. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So I have negative 35. If I then do question 11, I've got negative 8 divided by positive 2. The same rules apply for multiplication and division. I've got one negative number and one positive number, so I know that the answer will be